How to join the Discord server without an invite. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to join the Discord server without an invite. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, what I will be teaching you in this video is just a random server and not the server that you specifically want. So let's begin. For example, you want to join a server that your friend has and you don't have an invite. The only way to join that server is to ask for the invite of the user or the owner of that server. But let's say, for example, that you want to join a random server. You just simply make sure first that your Discord app is up to date, and once you have updated it, simply open it. And then, once you are on the Discord app, what you're going to do is to simply press on the plus button right here. And then, click on Join Server found on the bottom part of the screen. And then right here, it says Invite Link. However, you may also put only words like pizza or like alphabet or whichever word that you can think of. So again, this will only let you join a random server and not the specific server that you want to join. So you may also type in like this one, the cool people, um, or whichever like happy, or you may also type in characters such as or movies like Eternals. And then, for example, I'll just type in pizza and then click on join server. As you can see, there is a random server that will pop up. You just simply click on accept invite right here, and then that's it. That's how you can join the Discord server without an invite. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.